Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into JetBlue Travel Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into JetBlue Bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, and after that, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address jetblue.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of JetBlue, and let's wait for it. And now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the TrueBlue option available for us. Click on that TrueBlue and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to click on the sign in button over here, and let's wait for the login panel to appear. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter the email address of your account which you have signed up for on JetBlue, and of that enter your password. But guys, if you forgot your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. After entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your JetBlue account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your JetBlue Travel Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.